Welcome back to Irresistible Communication. 2 minutes, twice a week, no nonsense advice on leadership communication. As we step into 2024, it's easy to get caught up in grand visions. And let's be honest, grand visions are a dime a dozen. But the real challenge isn't in dreaming big, it's in the patience and clarity required to distill and convey your vision in a way that deeply resonates with your team, investors, and customers. This process begins with you. What exactly do you see for the future? Can you articulate it clearly? This is about getting specific and painting a vivid picture of what you envision. But it doesn't stop there. How well do you listen to your team and the market and your inner voice? Because listening is a crucial part of refining your vision. It involves being open to feedback and different perspectives, even those that might challenge your initial ideas. Understanding how your vision aligns with the values, aspirations, and needs of those around you is key, because that ensures that your dream isn't just a personal aspiration, but has the potential to become a shared goal that everyone can invest in and work towards. Specificity is your most powerful tool here. The clearer your vision is, the better you can articulate it in a way that others can see and believe in it too. And that's how you transform a personal dream into a collective journey. As you head into the new year, think about how you can clearly and effectively share your vision. How can you make it so tangible that others not only understand it, but are excited by it? Keep lighting the path and share this with a friend.